What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Civic. Alright, so if you have not watched the clear hood install, I did add a clip at the end explaining what happened to the clear hood when I drove 4 hours to Bakersfield. So the hood was actually shaking up and down. The air was getting stuck inside here, causing this area to shake like crazy. And it was just such a bad drive. So as you can see, it was very tight, so no airflow is going through. So I actually took off this right here just to see if the air will go in there faster and maybe let out right here. And now we're gonna install this vent to have a little bit more airflow. So it's not flush in the back, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that and add this little spacer. So the spacer will go right here with a bolt and nut and leave it propped up. That way more air could come out. So air come out right here, air come out right there. And I do plan on buying some trim so to put it right under, so that way it could block out some of the air. So after we do all of that, we need to test it out on the freeway before we drive anywhere else to make sure this is good to go. So today we're installing this quick install. I already taped it up right here. So I know where to line it up when I take it off. And I did add some 3M tape right there. So these sides are flush in, so that'll 3M tape right there. And I'll put a bolt and nut and a bolt and nut right there. And I got these right here, M6. Then I got the M6 nuts with the thread at the back, so it should pinch it and not get loose. You see that? So I got the drum already, cut in plastic. All right, so I already lined up the inner of the tape, so you can kind of already see through it. So what I'm cutting out is basically like a triangle, so that way it can line up, and when it airs out, it'll go right through the vent, and then the rest of it should sneak out from the back. So let's get to cutting, wear some safety glasses, and let's do this. Alright, so we got the hole cut. Check it out. There you go. Or the triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and drill here and drill there. And let's peel this 3M tape and let's get this mounted. Alright, so now I'm just gonna peel the 3M tape. Alright, so got the 3M tape peeled. Don't forget the washer I'm putting. We'll put it somewhere about right there. And let's peel this all the way. Down. All right, that's in. Okay, now let's hit the nuts from under. That, get the nuts right here. Come on. Yeah, so I gotta hold the hood with my head because I don't have an extra pair of hands. Yeah, Nuts are in. Let's tighten it and see what it looks like. All right, it's all tightened up. Let's just take out this masking tape. All right, guys, so here's the final look of it. It may look a little bit odd to you, but I think it gives it a little bit of style, and plus it was something I needed to add on anyways. So the cool thing that it is forged carbon with the gold flakes, so it makes it even better than just a random vent in the center. But yeah, it's functional because I needed to do that. And see the gap in the back, that have more airflow, and hopefully this is safe to drive with it on. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys aren't already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like it if you aren't already liking it, and shoot down some comments down below. Yep, I'm the dad that builds with his kids. Stay tuned on the next episode. I'm out.